Hello, welcome to Ms. Zach's second grade class. I will be introducing a lesson about shape recognition and working with different shapes, with even incorporating writing. Now, here are the Mathematics Common Core standards. We are working here specifically with geometry, and what we will be looking at is recognizing and drawing shapes having specified attributes such as angles and number of equal faces. We'll be discussing all kinds of things about shapes. We will also be working on brainstorming in the beginning of class, a do now. For 2 minutes, you will be discussing either on your own, or I will let you work quietly with a partner on where have you seen shapes in the classroom or home. Now, I would only like the students to focus on the do now and avoid what they see on the board for a few minutes. We will then, after that, move on to watching a video on Sammy's shapes, where we will practice the different shapes. Sammy Snakes loves to make shapes. Can you name the shapes he makes? What shape is Sammy making? This is just an example of what the students would be exposed to. This is different ways of showing students different shapes. I will then allow students to come up here. A few students will be at Sammy's shapes, and a few students will be up here telling me what the different shapes are over here. Everyone will get a turn, whether it's with Sammy or on the board with the different shapes. We will then be reading The Secret Birthday Message by Eric Carle. The special attribute to this book is that it is a secret message using shapes. So, just to give you an idea what this book is about, on the night before Tim's birthday, he found a strange envelope under his pillow. He sat up straight in his bed and opened the letter. Inside was a secret message, and this is what it said. When the sun comes up, look for the biggest star. Below, you'll see a circle. Behind that is the triangle. Go in. Look up to find a circle, crawl through, go down the steps. Walk straight ahead, open the rectangle, you will see another rectangle, climb up and through, that's where you'll find your birthday gift. And here we actually see what each shape signifies. This was the moon. When the moon comes up, look for the biggest star. You get an idea of using sentences and shapes all in one. I will also model an example for the students. Kelly and Jane had dinner at Jane's house. After dinner, they sat outside and watched the beautiful stars. Students will also get to practice on the GeoBoard different shapes. Right here we have a trapezoid. Students will get to create their own shapes, and what I will do is ask them, show me a circle, show me a square, show me a rectangle, and so forth, to get their understanding of the different shapes. I will then ask them to create a message just like Tim did with his friend with a partner. And they have to use all the different shapes that are on the board and create sentence or a paragraph form like I did. And we will then share those different sentences and paragraphs at the end of class, and we will probably meet tomorrow to go over the few minutes. Thank you.